Hi, this is Jake from Optimus Futures, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to open up and customize your own trading matrix on the Firetip X trading platform. So as you can see right now, we are currently working within the default layout of Firetip X. The Firetip X default layout will consist and will contain a trading matrix up in the top left-hand corner. Of course, here you will have a couple different tabs. The main tab are some popular futures trading contracts. As you can see, and you can even scroll through on the bottom here of the multiple tabs. Each tab is organized based off of specific criteria. So here we have currencies, energies, interest rates, metals, softs, grains, meats. So as you can see, the Firetip X the default layout does have all these different markets and exchanges organized by the different tabs here. So this is all fine. Of course, you're more than welcome to use this, but this Firetip X is an extremely customizable platform. So it's more than likely that the user will get off of this default at some point. So for that reason, I'm actually going to revert this desktop here, start with a blank new workspace, and we're actually going to create our own trading matrix here, and I'll show you how to open up from scratch. So we're going to create our workspace. We're going to name it Demo New, and we're not going to have anything here. So to open up your trading matrix, this is going to be done in the top left-hand corner of the platform window, and you're going to click on the first option. So first you'll click on Trading, then you'll click on Trading Matrix, and this is what we're after here. If you want to make this bigger, you can do so by left-clicking and holding in the bottom right-hand corner. Now that we have it a bit bigger, we can begin to create our watch list. So of course, a matrix is pretty much just a trading watch list. From your watch list here, you can either open up other widgets, you can monitor quotes. There's a whole bunch of different functionalities within here. So of course, this is our main tab. If we are trading multiple instruments or we follow multiple instruments, you may want to monitor them here. So of course, in the bottom left-hand corner here, right to the left of main, we can add our symbol. Let's do something popular, so we'll do the ES, the E-mini S&P 500. You can select multiple contracts here. You can select all. Whatever the case is, once you have something selected, you can just click on that and then click Add Only This Symbol. If you did the other option, as you can see, you can select an entire range. We can go select all. Then if we click on add down here, it'll add all of the different contracts. So just a different option for you, but that's a couple different ways on how to actually add them here. So now, of course, as we have them added, we can customize as we need to by left clicking and holding on that far left side there. You'll see little dots. These represent that you can just left click, hold, and drag, so we can readjust and reorganize as needed. Of course, this is all the same month, or excuse me, all the same contract, just different trading months. So changing them around here may not make too much sense or practicality. But of course, when you do have different contracts or you want to organize it in a specific way, or even if our contract months got out of order here, you would typically arrange in that fashion. Now, let's say, for example, we do want to organize our watch list in a similar manner to the default. Let's say we wanted to have something for metals, something for grains. We could do so by left clicking on the plus button to the right of your main tab here. Doing so will open up a new tab. If you left click it, you can actually rename it. So we can name this indices, for example. Now, once you have a new tab here, we'll go back to the very bottom left, add a new symbol. So, of course, before we manually searched, let's say, for example, we can just click on one of the other trees here. So we click on equity. Of course, this is no rhyme or reason why I'm doing this, but let's just go for the NASDAQ. We'll pop this up. Let's add the NASDAQ September 2019 contract. We'll click on the plus button to only add that symbol. There we have the NASDAQ. This time we can search for a Dow. So we'll type in YM. Add the September symbol. Let's go over here now. Let's add a new tab for metals. So we'll click on that new tab button, double click new tab to rename it. We'll type in metals. Let's add a new symbol. So let's do gold. Type in GC. Let's select just the one. Click on add. And there we have it. We could do the same thing for silver. You just type in silver, click the add button, and there you have it. So as you can see, adding and organizing the watch list is quite easy. As I said, there's also some other functionality that you can actually use within this trading matrix. So as you can see here, we click on the ESU19. Left clicking on the actual contract title here in the far left will allow you to do a couple things. We can, for one, place an order directly through here. 2, you can open up the advanced trader, which is another method of actually placing a trade. This is just so you do get the volume in the market depth, and you can place some advanced order types through here. This is your advanced trader or a dome, of course. We do have some other videos on that, so check that out if you're a bit unfamiliar with that. You can open up a chart through your trading matrix. And of course, when you ever open up something from the trading matrix, it will only open up the contract you have associated. So for this, we're clicking on the ESU19. If I clicked on gold, for example, it'll open up a chart or advanced trader or any widget that I open up directly from here. It'll open with that symbol. Finally, we have symbol info. This just gives some more descriptions such as tick size, tick value, the host exchange it's on, the book depth, the native currency, the market group, etc. And then finally, our last two options are to edit a symbol if we want to change this, or we can just flat out remove it by clicking on the last option. Other than that, that just about wraps it up for this video. Just really quickly wanted to show you guys how to organize, how to create, and how to open up some other widgets, all directly from your trading matrix or your quote board. If you do have any questions on the trading matrix, feel free to reach out to us. Let us know in the comment section below, or you can reach out to us on our community forum. That'll be posted down in the description. As always, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more Firetip X content, more trading psychology, tips, tricks, strategies, much more. And other than that, thanks for watching.